Welcome to Aviat Network's instructional video series. Today we will be unboxing a WTM4000 radio terminal. The WTM4000 is shipped individually by terminal in a 16 by 14 by 7-inch box that weighs 20 pounds. The label on the outside of the box indicates part number, serial number, radio band operating range, and software load. The contents includes 1 WTM4000 terminal, 1 ground cable, 2 cable glands, and 1 silicone grease packet. When unpackaging the contents, the accessories will be located at the top of the box individually wrapped. The box and packaging material are 100% recyclable. The included ground cable is a 10-gauge, 6.5-foot cable terminated with 1 single and 1 dual M6 lug. Also included are 2 weatherproof cable glands for cables ranging from 8 to 10 gauge, with a 1/10 of an ounce packet of silicone grease. Final item in the box is the WTM4000 terminal. The label on the side provides unit details like the model, serial number, and frequency ranges. Based on the WTM4000 variant, the intelligent part number will indicate specific options for that terminal. The WTM4100 options will vary from those of the WTM4200 as shown. More information is available on our website, like configuration guides, manuals, and product ordering guides. You can also follow us on social media for the latest news and instructional videos. Thank you for taking the time to view this video.